The bone is out. Can go to Hong Kong, that kind of genius is annoying. Call me 120. Your Highness, so close. Mom, does it hurt? This kid blocks the wind for me. Smashed me. You say this kid is really F***ing good. You don't have it. The flowers are ready. 520 red envelopes are also ready. The mobile double bed is also ready. No matter how you wash it. That is also a dirty thing. That careless person doesn't know the truth. Looks very not waterlogged car. Who have you seen a shit-flooded car? Oh hell, get that out of the carpet. Wow, oh my. I want to leave this city. Leave you. Piece my heart back together and give it back to myself. You were the only one I sought after. I'm just a little bit left over. I guess I should take anything. You want to ST? Me, I would you find out? What, I make you hurt me now. I'm crying my. But still I want a more. I can't get my super CH. How did this get on the highway? How many points do I have now? Show me the relevant laws and regulations, right? You said to get in the car, so I got in the car. They're contacting people to figure out how to take advantage of us. Tell me who ordered the tow. You taught me, I taught you. When did I tell you to tow the car? When did my dad tell you to tow the car? Who called? Who called the car? Who did you say called the tow truck? Who said it was impounded? Who said it was impounded? Who said brother didn't even mention coordination? Why do you want to do this thing for a picture? Who said to do it? Why pull it? Why must it be towed to your Jinji parking lot? Why? Who made the regulations? Who requested it? When did I hand it over? I'm not calling you much now. You're not bad then. Give me money. Give me money. I won't call you much. Why are you still so strong? I don't have a way. We are also of the same kind. Also discussing. We are here too. It's not like the car has arrived. It's not like there isn't a car. You have to tow it there. I don't know what you guys are up to. You have communicated with the traffic police. The traffic police will help you with the handover. Are they asking you if the traffic police are telling you to steal our car? His master proves that the insurance company hasn't come. Can he go? Did the traffic police call? You called, and then you came. Who told you to tow the car? Who told you to tow the car? Who told you to tow the car? Who is so awesome to tell you to tow the car? Who's awesome? Who's awesome? What are you doing? Who's awesome? What happened? You want to tow the car? I want to make sure who told you to do it. Is there anything wrong? Who's awesome? What happened? Well then.